This is the Springwell Smartflush Pro SF5B, the battery model. It comes with a 5-year battery life. Batteries are included, and this is designed to be flush mounted either into the ceiling or the wall. Inside we have screws there for the dry lining box. We have information on how to leave a review, and on the reverse we have information on how to extend the warranty, completely free of charge. It's just a case of scanning the QR code and entering your serial number and some details. And this is a set of instructions to follow step by step. Inside the box we have the controller here. So the front fascia, although this is white, they do come in 4 colours. So they come in white, black, gold or silver. They are screwless as well, and there's information here on how to remove the faceplate. It's fairly straightforward. There's just 2 clips there and there. So all you need to do is put a screwdriver in between them and then gently just prise it apart as follows. There we go. So then we just carefully take that off, take that out, and then there you go. So you've got your screw holes there to screw into the back mounting box. And you've got the set buttons there. You can test the valve, test the battery, test the PIR. You've got switches for your cycle times. You can enable or disable the quick flush feature, and you can change the sensitivity setting if you need to. On the back, it's just a case of plugging the battery pack into the connector, and the valve just plugs in there as well. Polarity is important, so just make sure blue to blue, brown to the brown. So the Smartflush Pro also comes with it's a 1-gang dry lining box. Comes with this box. You can use most dry lining boxes, so if you prefer to use a different one then you can do, but the Smartflush Pro does come with one if you need one. Next we have the pre-wired valve. So this is a latching solenoid valve. You have in labelled on underneath, so that's your incoming water supply. You have the cable ends are all ready to go, so that's just a case of putting it into the connector on the controller. Once you've done that, then all you do is that will go into your dry lining box as follows. Then once it's in your dry lining box, it's just a case of putting the front plate back on, clipping it back together, pushing it, make sure that push all 4 corners, making sure it's tight. And that's the Springwell Smartflush Pro SF5B.